Hey guys, welcome to Tech Approved. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool feature that works not only on the PS5 but also on the PS4. So this feature basically allows you to control your PS4 PS5 from wherever you are, and it can actually be quite useful if you want to play when you can't use the main TV or wherever your PS4 PS5 is. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open your preferred browser, and you want to go overhead to Google and you just want to search PS Remote Play. So it used to be called PS4 Remote Play, and here it will actually say PS4 Remote Play, but it has been renamed now to PS Remote Play, but they actually haven't updated the site properly. But yes, it will work for both the PS5 and the PS4. So you can actually use Remote Play on many different devices, such as your Windows PC or Mac, a mobile device from another PS5 console, or even a PS4. So this is actually really cool that you can do this. So what you just want to do is you want to go over, I'm going to show you guys how to use a Windows PC with it. So you just want to go down, click Windows PC, and you just want to agree to the license agreement, and then you just want to click download. And then after that it will pop up, you just want to click open, and you just have to accept it. So I'll just quickly accept it. And then you would want to just choose your language. It'll just start downloading and extracting all the files, and it'll quickly install. So this is actually a really great software that makes it a lot easier to play remotely, even on your PlayStation. Maybe you can't use your main TV or whatever for any reason, and if you have a good internet, and if your PS4 or PS5 is wired directly to Ethernet, it'll work a lot better. But I've noticed that it does work quite well. I'm using it on Wi-Fi right now, but I have pretty good Wi-Fi speed. But it does work well for me, and I think for most people it should work well, as I've tried it on other Wi-Fi networks and it has worked well. So once you open the app, it'll just, so I'm already logged in, so I already have all my stuff set up, but you just want to log in, and then over here you can change your resolution, and if you have an HDR supported display, you can actually also enable HDR. So I'm just going to set this to 1080p, as I have a 1080p display, so I want to take full advantage of that. I don't have HDR, so I don't even have the option for that, but that's okay. It's just remote playing. I have a TV that I can actually use when there's time for that. But sometimes, if you can't use it for whatever reason, you also have remote play, which is quite useful if you're maybe not at home or whatever reason. It's a cool application that you should definitely try. So you can just go ahead and close the settings after that, and it'll tell you to get your remote or your controller or whatever plugged in, your PS4 PS5 controller. And I already have my PS5 set up with it, so it already shows it over here. I just plugged in my DualSense controller and it shows up that's been connected. So then I just want to click on the actual connect button, and then it's going to basically, this also works if your PS5 or PS4 is in rest mode. It will actually wake it up and then it will get it on. And on some TVs, you might also have the setting where it actually turns the TV on, so you might want to turn that off in that case. But as you can see now, I've connected directly to my PS5, and it's actually working really well. So for right now, it might not look the best, as I'm actually recording while I'm doing this, but most of the time it looks basically crystal clear at 1080p for me, and it works really, really well. So if this doesn't work for me, for you guys, what you want to do is you would just want to head over to the settings, and then from the settings, basically what you want to do is then you want to go down to system, and then you want to go to remote play, and you want to make sure that enable remote play is actually enabled, because if that's not enabled, it won't actually work. So you want to make sure that's enabled. So if I just quickly go into a game, I'm going to go into Astro's Playroom, and I'll show you guys how quickly the PS5 actually loads. It's quite incredible how quickly it loads. But yeah, remote play is working, and it works really well. It might look a little bit weird right now on OBS, but I can confirm that it actually does look proper and works well, actually without any screen recording in the background. Because I'm doing the screen recording in the background, it is kind of messing with it. But otherwise, it does work. It works really well. And as you can see, it's working master here. With the DualSense actually having adaptive triggers and haptic feedback in the speaker, especially in this game, that all actually works in this game, even on remote play, which is absolutely amazing. The touchpad works. Basically, all the features of the DualSense still work, even though I'm on remote play. which is actually pretty cool, and I really like that they have it in a way where all of that works. So as you can see, it's just all working, and I have the sound from the controller, from the game, and it's basically just like I'm directly connected to my PlayStation from my laptop. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe, and yeah, that's it.